Hi, it's Andy at Atkinson Specialist Vans. Today we have for you a 2021 long wheelbase Volkswagen Caravelle in Starlight Blue Metallic, lovely dark blue. Really high spec vehicle this one. Got a full MASV styling kit on it too, as you can see. We've got the LED lights, gloss black front with the contrast badges, and our subtle lower front spoiler. 20-inch VLR 16s on this one with the Pirelli Scorpion Zero tyres, and it's lowered 30mm on genuine Volkswagen lowering springs. Sidebars and roof rails on it too. Full privacy tints to the rear of the vehicle. Quite a rare option here, opening side windows. You don't see that very often on the Caravelles. So nice little touch. Moving inside, full Nappa leather upgrade with the contrast stitching. This one also has Pro Nav and the digital dash. Heated front seats there too, and it's got park assist. So that's the one where basically you line up next to a parking space, press the button, take your hands off the wheel, it does the rest for you. Side loading doors, they're power latching, so it'll suck them in if you don't quite latch it correctly. Not fully electric, but probably easier to use the power latching actually. Normal setup inside, so we've got the triple bench seat at the back, table in the middle, and two swiveling captain's chairs just behind the front row seats. Lights and vents in the ceiling. Moving to the rear of the vehicle, it's got the high level spoiler, MASV badging and rear bumper protector there. This one's also got a reverse camera, which isn't standard. Show you the boot area. Now we've moved the seats back as far as they'll go. You can easily move them forward and still have plenty of space for 5 adults in the back, and also gain that extra room in the boot. It's worth noting, long wheelbase is 40cm longer than the short wheelbase, which doesn't sound a lot, but is basically this bit here between the door and the arch. So when you add in the height of that extra distance, it is quite a lot. It's real low mileage, this one. Done less than 5,000 miles. Fitted with a carbon and leather trim steering wheel. Just finishes it off nicely there. Has had its first service and still under manufacturer's warranty until 2024. Gets Volkswagen roadside assist until then too. So all in all, a super spec vehicle, still VAT qualifying, so if you're purchasing through a VAT registered business, you might be able to get some or all of the VAT back. Just talk to your accountant about that. But yeah, here and available, 20 plus photos on the website, along with a full description. Finance and part exchange are available, so if you're interested, please do get in touch with us, and thanks for watching.